Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix Gmail app notification not showing for new emails on iPhone. So, in order for you to fix this issue, just simply go to the settings into your phone. Now, here on the settings, guys, just simply go ahead and scroll down a little bit, and you should be able to see here notifications. Just simply select that. And from here, just simply scroll down and try to find the Gmail application over here. So just simply select the Gmail. And from here, guys, make sure to allow notifications over here and make sure this is toggled on. And guys, to make sure, just make sure everything is toggled on. And if you go to the very bottom, you could have a Gmail notification settings. From here, guys, you could just simply select email notifications. And from here, you could filter out your email. You can go for all new mail, primary only, high priority only, none, and you will have the notification sound as well. So this will be depending on you. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching. See ya.